Hello, hello. Hope you all are doing well today. Today I wanted to do another faux leather video for you. I'm going to be using cardstock. This one here is a Nostalgia I got from Michael's. It's all like browns and neutral colors. So I'm going to be doing 3 different colors. This one, and this one. I actually just did this one off camera to see how it would look. Honestly, I don't really like it. I don't think I should have put because I used the antique linen since it's yellow, but I also used the tea dye, and I don't think I should have used that. But anyway, and then I used some of this gold paint to give it a little like shimmer, and I actually did it on both sides. Again, this is why we do things practice offline first to see how it looks and what not to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, because you can make faux leather out of any color paper you want. So I did these ones here back in 2020, but I used tissue paper to make the cover with a piece of pink paper. It was the same kind of set like this from Michael's, and it just had different shades of pink. And so you can make it out of any color you want, just as long as you have the same colors of paints and stuff like that to go with it. Yeah, so there's that. The cool thing about making faux leather is that you can use any color you want. So we're gonna do, I got these 3 shades out. Actually, this one looks mostly just like a piece of craft paper. I didn't even notice that. Doesn't look like that here. Or no, that's that one. Yeah, so it looks darker there. Okay, so let's do this one first. So I'm not going to be using like the, my vintage photo like Mod Podge mixture because it's already brown. Like on the other one I showed you, this one, all I did was use my water with the glycerin in it, sprayed it down, crinkled it up, and then I used the antique linen and the paint. That's it, and the tea dye, which I guess that I shouldn't have done that. So I'm just going to be doing that on all of these. I just want to see what they would look like. I'm not using that. Let's get rid of that. Just trying different techniques. Oh, it's like, where'd my paper go? Different techniques on how to make faux leather. Okay, so first you want to spray it down with your water and glycerin. Some people use conditioner or lotion. That's totally up to you. I prefer glycerin because it makes it more pliable. I can't talk, you guys. And so I like it like that. You gotta be careful too, you can rip it. And this is 65-pound cardstock. That's not gonna be enough. I think I'm gonna like this one though. This is like a nice brown color. So you just keep crinkling it up until you get it as wrinkled as you want. I know I've said that in every one of my faux leather videos. Oh, I think I ripped it. Oh man, I ripped it. You have to be really careful. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so on this one I'm gonna use a walnut stain. Actually, I don't think I need. I was going to use the shoe polish too, but I don't think I need to. I just got it out just in case. It's like most people just do this on their, like if they're doing it on a brown paper bag, they just do this, but it's okay for, like, in my opinion, it's okay for this if your paper's already that color, but I just prefer to have it all, like, dark, unless you're using a different color. And then I got some of the Renaissance Brown metallic glaze. I'm going to use some of that and just give it a little bit of extra texture so you don't end up getting too much. I put it on the brush. That way you can just kind of do that. Ooh, wow, that looks cool. It looked cool on the light one, but this looks cool. Oh, I did do it on the other side. Okay. And of course on that one I also didn't do the Mod Podge clear coat yet, like top coat. You would want to do that to seal it. Not too much. Flip it over, and I'm doing both sides. Yeah, in my last video I just put up yesterday, like I mentioned, that somebody said in the comments asking what I did on the back. Most of the time I don't do the back, but this time I am, just in case I want to turn it into tags or something, pockets. Something like that, you know, you can always do the back too. Yeah, I definitely like this brown color. This is cool. It's like a little bit here and there. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I think that's it for that one. Okay, Here's our piece of paper already. So I'm just gonna do the same thing still with the walnut stain, go over it. But I'm gonna add some more to it. And like I said, this one looks cool. It's just, I really wanted to add more to it. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my walnut stain Mod Podge. Not too much, I'm not gonna cover the whole page, just a little bit. I just wanted to give you guys some more different ideas and options, or, you know, looks of the way you can do it. I mean, of course, you guys have a creative imaginations, you can do whatever you want. I'm sure you can do more. See, this one I put the matte medium on, and I like that. It actually looks like leather, like really rough leather. So I'm gonna try to make that one look like, or this one look like that. Do a little bit of this dark burnt umber. I always forget to shake my paint. Add a little bit, just tiny bits. I think I put a little too much on the other one. Flip it over and do the same to the other side. I'll do that off camera because just add a little bit of the shimmer stuff and shake it. Like I said, I like to just put it on the brush, that way I don't get too much because I don't want a lot of this on there. See, I'm already getting too much. If you do get too much, just use your Mod Podge mixture and go over it a little bit. It kind of like knocks it down a bit. Like I said, I didn't put that much on this one. You don't have to put it on there at all if you don't want. If you want it to look really rough, which is what I probably should have did with this one. Okay, I'll go ahead and do the other side and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I tried to not to do too much with the shimmer. Like I said, you don't have to use the shimmer metallic one at all if you don't want to. I kind of wish I didn't, but that's okay. Yeah, so there's that one. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm not sure if I want to do this one now because I guess that just looks like the craft paper. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't figure out what other color to do. I wanted to be something that I would actually use in a journal. And I'm not planning on making any like different colored journals anytime soon or anything like that, so I'm just gonna do this one. I mean, if you would like to see me do other colors, let me know like how I would do it. Like I said, you just have to have the paint or the ink of the color that you're doing so that you can just like go over it or paint it whatever color you want. Okay, so you already saw me do this like twice now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera and then I'll come back and do a Mod Podge on like one or two of them and then I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and did the other colors like I said. So I'm going back to the brown one to Mod Podge it, and that way I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so I use matte Mod Podge and I dilute mine a little bit with water to make it a little thinner and easier to spread. I can never get it open. Oops. I need to get a piece of parchment paper because I think somebody said to put parchment paper in between the lid and the... Okay. I just got ink or glue all over my hand. And I'm only going to go over one side just in case I decide to use it for like pockets or tags or something. I don't know. But I mean, I'll only go on one side on camera so that you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do the whole thing. Plus I'd have to wait for it to dry to do the other side. Probably should have did this one in the, dang it, the matte medium to see if it came out matte. Oh well, I wish this was actually matte. Anybody knows a good medium that's actually matte, let me know, because I think I heard the Aleene's, I think it's Aleene's, I'm not sure. Mod Podge, I think it's called. Even my other Mod Podge that I got doesn't seem like it's... What did I just do recently where I used that? It still had a sheen, I think. I think that's good. Can never tell if I got it all. I think that's good though. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with the air hot heat gun. I'm like, what is wrong with me? And then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so yeah, sometimes I like that the Mod Podge isn't actually matte and sometimes I prefer it. But this actually looks pretty cool, that little bit of a sheen on it. Because this is the back, I didn't do that side. And yeah, I definitely like it like this better. Wow, that looks cool. Okay, so I've always been more into the dark leather, dark anything, like I don't really like that light color like that. I just wanted to try it. But yeah, I like the darker one better. So there's that one. Okay, there it is. Like I said, with the matte medium, I think it looks pretty cool. I definitely like that. It does it does dry a little more matte than Mod Podge does. This one here too has that on it, and it's not as shiny as the other one. Yeah, this one looks cool. There it is. I think it looks really cool. I knocked down the shimmer as much as I could. I think I should have just left it out, but that's okay. It still looks cool. And I did go in this one a little bit. Added some more like brown and some of the Mod Podge mixture to it on the front and the back. This side already has Mod Podge and this side doesn't, except for this stuff. I think it looks a little bit better. I tried to knock down some of the shimmer on this one. So yeah, I definitely like this one. So this is a different shade of brown. Like I said, it's darker. Okay, so here they all are, the 3 colors that I did. I love the way they came out. The dark ones, well, all of them look so cool. Yeah, the dark one looks super cool. I added some more color to this one to make it look a little more like rustic and rough looking. Tried to knock down some of the shimmer a bit. But yeah, I love them. They turned out so cool. You guys let me know which one is your favorite, and if you guys will be trying this out. Let me know if you guys want to see any other colors, like what color you'd like to see. I definitely want to do a black one. I need to get some, well, I have black paint. I might end up just taking some and putting it, like mixing it in the Mod Podge bottle like I did with the ink. Yeah, we'll try that. And I also realized that I haven't done a tissue paper, like anything with tissue paper to make faux leather, except for my short that I did, and I will link that down below. And I also talked about it in my 3 techniques video, but I haven't actually done a project with it yet, so I will do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this and other types of videos as well. I have quite a few different videos coming up, so subscribe to the channel for that and click that bell to be notified when new videos are up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.